Good morning. I'm Sara, the holistic healer, and we're going to have a 10-minute morning yoga therapy session so that we can make this an amazing day moving forward in life with effortless ease. So let's begin. I have an essential oil. The blend is Cheer for happiness. It's from doTERRA. I'll have the link down below. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you enjoyed it afterwards. That's how you can help me grow the community. So apply your oils, because every morning we can get up with anxiety and panic, with some sort of an inner turmoil, maybe from tension, tightness in the body. Sometimes we wake up with an uncomfortable dream that causes stiffness in the body. So all in all, I'm so glad you're here. I hope that you can make make it to the yoga session every morning before anything else. Just as soon as you get out of bed, use the restroom and get to your yoga space. So with that, go ahead and just take a moment to close your eyes and take a couple of deep, long breaths with me. Let yourself settle in your space. Feel your buttocks in the chair. And feel the breath flow through the nostrils, filling your tummy up. And as you exhale, notice the tummy empty and feel the breath releasing out through your nostrils. One more time. Inhale, feel the cool air going through your nose. Exhaling, releasing the breath out through the nostrils, feeling the warmth and the release of all the tension from your face, shoulders, your back. With your next inhalation, bring your hands to your heart center. Drop your chin to the chest. And as you drop your chin to the chest, bow to yourself and say these words with me. I salute and acknowledge the divinity within myself and all those whom I've met. I salute the divinity within myself and all those I meet. So remember today, anybody you meet is a messenger from the divine, teaching you a lesson. If anything comes up within you, there's something you need to address within yourself. So don't get mad, don't get angry, don't get frustrated. We got work to do. So today is going to be full of joyful experiences because you're starting it with the yoga therapy, because you intend for it to be the best day ever. So with that, opening the eyes, come on up to the edge of your chair. And as you do so, go ahead and cross one leg over the other leg and curl the toes towards your knees and hinge forward. I'm going to change the position of my chair for you to see. So this is what we do. And shoulders back, take a couple of deep breaths. Make sure your bottom leg is a 90-degree with the heel and the knee. Just a couple of stretches. This pose will help you release the negative and intense emotions from the body. The hip opener, the outer thigh stretch, also your feet connecting you to earth and your hips connecting you to the earth is powerful and grounding. So take 2 more deep breaths with me. Make sure when you breathe into your tummy. And when you breathe out, release all the breath from your tummy. Come back and switch legs. You're showing up. You're showing up for yourself. And it's going to be a wonderful day because you want to enhance and reinforce the positive behaviors and habits you are forming. 1 or 2 more deep breaths. Put your hands on that leg. Keep the chest open. You don't need to round your back. Don't. Shoulders back and chest open, heart open. Inhale with me. Notice through the nose. And exhale. Good job. Come on back. Go ahead and scoot your hips all the way back into your chair. Sitting up, take your legs up in the air and just squeeze those legs for a couple of deep breaths. And when you're ready, go ahead and bring those legs down and give yourself a few shoulder rolls. Releasing tension, pressure, burdens from your shoulders. You don't need to carry that today with you. You're doing the best you can. And then give yourself a nice hug. Rock yourself forward and back. Pat yourself on the back. Sometimes you can really feel lonely when you go places. Sometimes you can feel really lonely at home. This feeling of loneliness is nothing except our disconnection from the source. And you are reconnecting through these yoga therapy sessions. Squeeze yourselves and take a deep breath. Audibly say with me to yourself and say, I'm here for you. I care about you. I'm here to support you and take care of you. I am proud of you. And then release, open the eyes, give yourselves a few shoulder rolls. Next inhalation, take one arm across your chest, press the forearm down. Feel the stretching of the muscles and then switch to the other side. Deeply breathe, make sure you're comfy. Next breath, take your arms above the head, stretching, open, look up, stretch, lean back. Exhale, go put your hands on the seat and forward fold. That will release the back nicely and go from side to side. Breathing in, breathing out. Hopefully you did have your essential oil to apply because it makes all the difference. These oils are medicinal and they help you release all the trauma symptoms from the amygdala. There's a little almond-shaped gland in the brain, and it keeps score and keeps the memory of all the ways your body reacted when you had that terrible experience. So when you use essential oils, it'll soften the intense emotional connection with those traumatic events, you know? And so essential oils are so good. This one is smelling so amazing. When you go back to your chairs, roll your shoulders back, and we're going to enjoy a few moments of tapping, and then I will guide you into a brief meditative experience, which I will ask you to use your imagination. So go ahead and tap around your knees, and I'm explaining to you what tapping is, and I want you to just breathe and tap. Use both hands around one knee, both hands around the other knee, both hands inside of your knees, not on inside your thighs, but right inside your knees. Now go to the brow center. Use a bunch of fingertips right at the brow center, not the outer corners, right out between the eyebrows. Inhale. Tap the temples where the hair grows. Exhale. Inhale under the eyes on your cheekbones. So under the nose, please follow the points directly as I show you. Those are the energy points. This is actually acupuncture, the ancient Chinese technique that can help balance your energy meridians and energy nadis, which are points in the body, 4 inches under the arms, 4 inches under the other arm. Now we're going to slap tap on our wrists. This is actually quantum tapping. There's a lot of different tapping techniques around, but this one is more complete. So as you slap tap on the wrist, breathe, top of the wrist, go directly to your karate chop, the little finger side of your hands. And now we're going to add some truthful affirmations. So again, reviewing what yoga therapy is, combination of all these modalities to help you have a breakthrough within yourself every time you practice. So this tapping is emotional freedom technique. Slap tap around the right knee and say with me, even though it was hard for me to get on my yoga space, it was hard for me to come and make myself do this yoga, even though sometimes I don't believe this is helping me, even though I feel a lot of resistance to helping myself feel better and to show up for myself, take a deep breath. Even though I don't want to let go of the past, even though I don't want to let go of my thoughts, even though I don't want to let go of my despair and loneliness underneath the lower lip, even though I believe, and you can change it up, okay? Even though I believe maybe it's too late for me to get all this help that I am looking for, even though I judge myself, even though I got tons and tons of negative thoughts under the arm, I want to do the best that I can to deeply and completely accept myself. I want to accept all of this about myself while I am healing all those aspects of myself. Yes, I choose to heal. I choose to become a role model for all those folks that I love. I want to be the best version of myself. And today is a perfect day to once again turn it around. I wish myself the best day. I wish myself the best. I am here to show up for myself. Breathe, everybody. Showing up for myself, it means doing what I don't really want to do. That means I must be consistent with my practice. 10 minutes every morning. 10 minutes every morning. Only 10 minutes every morning. With my heart and soul. With my deliberate intention. Because I want to make this shift. I am ready to shift all these negative patterns that have been holding me back. I know some people who've healed, so I can do it too. I am choosing to love and accept myself just the way I am, without any excuses or judgments or criticisms, because they don't work for me anymore. Now I know better. Now that I know better, I want to do better. So today I want to trust myself. Keep tapping under your lower lip and say, today I want to establish trust and faith in myself. Take a breath. Today I refuse to accept any criticisms or judgments against myself. I refuse to get angry today. I refuse to worry today. I work hard today. I reach out to others today. And I cherish all the blessings that I have been given. Yes, yes, yes. Today is a wonderful day, and it's the beginning of the rest of my life, and I am safe. I am safe. I am safe, and I know it. Now put your palms together, everybody. Put your thumbs to the forehead, close your eyes, and quickly go and imagine yourself out in the mountains or on a beach, someplace beautiful in nature. You could be in a room. You could be in any space, anywhere that you feel safe and comfortable and peaceful. Go see yourself the way you want to become. See yourself more confident, more alert, more awake, more conscious, more confident, healthier, happier, present. So good. See all those images in that beautiful place, and then slowly bring your hands to your heart center. Hands to heart, thumbs to the chest. Breathe deeply and see yourself in that beautiful, safe place. Strong, stable, proactive, consistent. And then see your present self right there with your future self in that beautiful place in nature. Breathe deeply. See yourselves, both of you, hold hands, shake hands, get hugs, whatever that resonates with you, and go and have a few minutes of heartfelt conversations. Ask it what you need to do to get to that point in your life. Ask for guidance. Ask for help. Ask for blessings. Ask for a communication that resonates with your heart. Deeply breathe in and out. See your future self and feel how good it will be when you are that version of yourself. Take a deep breath in. And now feel that deep connection with one another. And also feel your connection to nature. Smell the nature scents and hear the nature sounds. And see all the positive images and the elements and be grateful. And now gently bow to yourself and say to yourself, I salute the divinity within myself and all those whom I meet. And that's a definition of namaste. Namaste, everybody. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, and at night. And maybe I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Keep up the good work and share with me all the miracles and the magic that you create each and every day by showing up and being present and practicing your spiritual practices Namaste. I'll see you tomorrow morning or for the next video. Thank you again.